Hello viewers, welcome to the mobile screen, and this formula will fully work. Is it your phone is Android version 9? Okay, let's come to the point. At first look, select application which you have to hide on your phone. Okay, I select this item. This name is gallery. Okay, then and I have to click three dot option. Then home screen setting. Then scroll down and look at option here, hide apps, and then we have to mark gallery and apply. And let's watch your application is fully vanished. Okay, one question is again come to your mind that how can we back. Again we click third option and home screen setting, hide apps, and you have to minimize gallery and then apply. And look friends, your gallery is come.